The 16 billion ringgit lease contract for 28 helicopters over 15 years includes a comprehensive package covering various essential services. Defence Minister Dato Sri Muhammad Khaled Nordin said the package encompasses maintenance, repair and overhaul services, spare parts storage and training programs for about 1,300 pilots and flight crew.
Ketiga, pemindahan kemahiran dan latihan berterusan kepada jurutera dan juruteknik agensi-agensi pengguna. Keempat, penyediaan perlindungan insurans mencakupi aset ke semua kru, penumpang dan pihak ketiga.
Mohammed Khalid said this when winding up the debate on the royal address for the Defence Ministry in the Dewan Rakyat on Thursday. Addressing concerns that an outright purchase might be cheaper, he said the leasing package eliminates incidental costs that the government would otherwise have to manage. He said the lease contract approach was chosen to address the low availability of strategic national assets due to financial constraints, which have left the country's asset readiness at a sub-optimal level.